So yeah, hello everyone, and today I'm gonna show you how to create your very own like first person character or whatever, for your like Unity game. This should work with the newest Unity, as you can see, or at least by the time I'm recording, it should be the newest one. So as first, like, we obviously need our like terrain or thing the characters will like move on. I guess you already have that, but I'm just gonna do it. So yeah, as you can see now, I have like my cube. I actually forgot to add a rigid body. Okay, so yeah, now I'm just gonna freeze all of those things. Okay, so we have this. Now for the like actual part where we add like the thing, the first person character. So if you when you were installing Unity, if you click like to install like Unity standard assets, then you might just want to right click in here and import package and click on characters. Okay, but because some people don't even have that, we're gonna need to like, I'm gonna show you another way. So yeah, if you have this in here, you can just press it. Okay, and I'm gonna show you the way if you don't have it. If you don't have it, you should see asset store in here. If you don't have it too, click here and click default, and it will like restart, and you'll have this. Good. So now wait till it loads. Right now click on search and search for standard assets. Okay, search for this standard assets, and this first thing should be it. It's called standard assets by Unity Technologies. So yeah, put that on. Now you may want to import it. If you have something else, just click it, okay, until it will become import. It's free probably. If you see it's paid and don't buy it, okay, it would be like an update or you click the wrong thing, but whatever. Click import or whatever you have there, download. You need to wait, okay, it'll take a longer time, so I'm gonna like skip this part. So yeah, when it is finished, this actually took me 5 minutes. Okay, it won't be as fast. Okay, that was just a speed up. Normally it takes, I don't know, depending on other stuff, but for me it took like 5 minutes. So when you have it, you may want to go back to your scene. Now get the sample scenes. You may, no, actually not sample scenes, sorry, okay. The standard assets, this should be in here after like importing the thing from the asset store. You may want to click on that. Now we're gonna be more like folders. You may want to click characters. Now you can put it in third person, like if you want to, but you'll need to like put another camera. But okay, I'm not actually doing that. Okay, this tutorial is about first person, so get on the first person. And before placing in the first person, I recommend you to get and delete the main camera you have, okay? Because the first person prefab will like simply create a camera with it. So you might want to click on prefabs. Now get an FPS controller. Okay, don't add this one. I don't really know what is this one. Just add this first one, okay? So add it in here. And now it should be like this. You can also like set like you can also set stuff like if it will use FOV kick or head bobbing. Like head bobbing is like the thing where your head like, I don't know how to say, like juggles or whatever, like when you move, but whatever. When you have it in here, you may want to click on play and test it out. It should work. See? So you can move around. It has also pretty nice sounds, and you can also run while like holding shift. And yep, that's it. I think so. Yeah, that's it for this tutorial, I guess. So yeah, thanks for watching and bye.